Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Panujaya Winanga and my friend is Adiana Kapetiansa and his name is Tim. Okay, today we will discuss about digital literacy for Gen Z youth activists. Okay, let's go to the presentation. Let's go. The first presentation is uh, the voice of Gen Z digital platforms as a tool for social activism and public participation. Okay, growing up in the digital age, Gen Z began their lives marked by economic instability, rising tuition fees, and environmental issues. As a result, Gen Z utilized digital technology to voice their social concern. According to survey by United Way of the National Capital Areas of 100 American residents, the majority of activists is 66% takes place in the digital realm, while a small portion, 34, is involved through face-to-face activities, United Way and CA 2024. For the example of Indonesia, concern about natural disasters such as flooding and landslides in Sumatra have become a hot topic on social media, with several public figures calling for fundraising, social, social assistance, and raising awareness about environmental issues that cause disaster on social media. This crowd is different from a previous generation who based their activities on physical location and organizational formalities. With this transition to digital, Gen Z needs to understand digital literacy. However, this transition to digital activism is a double-edged sword. Although it offers unprecedented opportunities for mobilization, its effectiveness and safety fundamentally depend on one crucial component, digital literacy. Therefore, with the spread of information in the digital world, digital literacy need to minimize the impact fake news, misinformation, and cyberbullying. Digital platforms have become the main means for Generation Z to express social concern and participate in public discussion, which has fundamentally changed the form of activism and requires a higher level of digital literacy for effective and safe navigation. Because without a strong fundamental foundation and digital literacy, the great potential of Generation Z digital activation will not be diminished, but could also become counterproductive as well as exposing movement and individuals to significant risk. Digital platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok have lowered the threshold for Gen Z to participate in social and political issues. The first ways faster and easier to access information. Greater is increased and disseminating content and communication with others from a distance. Science and Hana 2023. This mechanism allows Gen Z activists to quickly gather support, raise awareness, and attract large number of people. Bukhari 2025. For example, viral social media campaigns like Black Lives Matter and Me Too are very popular and have led to offline movement and demands for policy change. Uh, the increasing of the increasing use of social media and other information technology has made Gen Z or digital activists more sensitive, bold, innovative, and highly curious. This characteristic enable Gen Z to disregard traditional social codes and question social issues that were never questioned by previous generation.
The emphasis on social issue, authenticity, flexibility, and inclusivity also gets them apart from generation.
Thank you, Pandu, for your comprehensive explanation. Now let me continue with this crucial point. As Pandu mentioned, we Generation Z, born between 1997 to 2012, grow up with smartphone in our hands. This gives us a strong instinct to voice our aspiration, opinion, and even protest through social media. This phenomenon has given rise to the new term, digital activists. However, the question is simply posting enough to call it activism? Proof visuals. Demonstration were synonymous with talking to the street and using loudspeakers. Now, activism has transformed into highly creative and varied forms. You can see this on Instagram, Twitter, on TikTok. Gen Z longer just search the create to protest. Some create satirical video that provoke laughter and self-criticism. Others offer in-depth analytical infographic and dissect government policies in easy-to-understand language. In fact, seemingly humorous memes often contain social criticism that reach millions of people more effectively than formal news articles. We see the use of digital comics, flash donation campaign, and even the use of algorithm to elevate previously, previously submerged issue. We use our interest and talent as weapons in the digital world. However, behind these conventions, there's a double-edged sword. The effectiveness of digital activists depends heavily on the theme, digital literacy. Without literacy, our good intentions can backfire. Imagine in our overzealous desire to help, we spread unverified information. The result? We're no longer activists but prisoners of hoaxes. Digital security is also at stake. Digital footprints are eternal. If we don't understand how to protect our personal data when engaging in digital action, we are highly vulnerable to cyber attacks or doxing. Have you ever consciously participated in social media campaign? Or perhaps have you participated unintentionally? Are you the type who produces the content? Or are you the type who simply likes, reports, or share it with family groups? If you are the latter type, you are called passive digital activist. Therefore, before I close this session, let's recall the four pillars of digital literacy that we must apply in your activities in public space. First, third, digital skills. Not just not just knowing how to use application, but knowing how to verify information source. Then there, digital culture. Understanding that what we convey must reflect national values and good culture ethnic. Digital ethnic maintain politeness. creative voice and ethic individuals. Digital safety. Understand how to protect our privacy and personal data so that our struggle is not held up by security issues. If we implement these four things, our digital movement will not be just a passing trend, but will become a real positive change that concludes our discussion. We apologize for any shortcoming. We hope this material is beneficial to everyone activism. Thank you and see you. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.